Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can stop synchronizing profile information from Instagram to Facebook. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Instagram and click on your profile picture in the right bottom corner. Then you simply need to click on three bars on the top right and click on settings and privacy. So once you are here, you simply need to click on account center and click on this option, or you can click on accounts. So here you can see my Instagram, click on that, and here you need to click on remove. So but this remove here, so I want to remove. So here you can see that once you click on that, you see different options to remove Facebook, but I want to remove the synchronization, so you simply need to click on that, click here, click on your Facebook profile, and here you can see sync profile info. You simply need to click here and click on stop synchronizing. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.